Hi guys, it's Marissa here. So we are now post-election. So I thought I'd check in and let you know my views on what I think the election results mean for Australians. So firstly, what a shock and surprise it was that the Liberal government won the election, which it definitely was a surprise, but I guess it's Australians sending a clear message to politicians that the majority of Australians are not interested in a high tax, high spend government. So hence the Liberal government won. And Scott Morrison continues to be our Prime Minister for another term. Hopefully we'll see stability in the Liberal Party throughout the entire term of their government. So I guess I'm going to focus on what I think this means. I think that the election result is very, very good news for homeowners and property investors. I think the fact that we now are past the election and we know what the government is going to be doing moving forward, it will bring confidence back into the market, so we should see demand increase. I also think that a lot of buyers were scared off leading up to the election because of Labor's proposed policies around negative gearing, capital gains tax, and we're holding off to see what the election results were. So now that's over. We know that negative gearing, capital gains tax will not change, which I think is great news because it means that demand will increase and people will feel confident again to go and buy. So my expectations are that property prices will rise over the next 12 months throughout Australia. And I think that not only that will happen because confidence has risen, and not only will that happen because we are still having the negative gearing benefits that we already have access to, but also the Coalition's proposal to introduce the first homeowners boost, I think will obviously stimulate first owners buying into the market as well. So that in itself should also drive demand and help to stimulate the property market. So good news for property owners, good news for property investors. I guess my recommendation would be that if you are looking to buy a house or an investment property in the next 12 months, my thoughts would be that you're better off getting in sooner rather than later while the prices are still low. And also, I guess, another thing that will further stimulate demand and hopefully help to boost property prices will be the expected rate cut that we're expecting to see soon, hopefully as soon as the next Reserve Bank meeting. So it will be interesting to see if the banks pass on that full rate cut. I also believe that, having had the privilege of speaking to some of the senior finance coalition senators prior to the election, they are very keen to get banking back on track and get credit policy to be more in line with common sense. It's sort of gone a bit too far following the Royal Commission and the ASIC and APRA review. So hopefully what we'll see in the future is, lower interest rates, more confidence in the property market. We'll see a sensible loosening of credit policy back to an area where it's actually common sense, and all of those, and we'll see first home buyers, wanting to get into the market. So all of those factors combined should lead to a boost in capital values of properties throughout all the capital cities of Australia. So that's what I'm expecting to see over the next 12 months. So if you are planning to buy, get in quick. That's all I've got to you for you today, and would love to hear your thoughts on the election or what you think it means for you. And we'll tune in again soon. Thanks. Bye.